How you doing, everybody? Another beautiful day here at Cheesy Moon Workshop. This quick little video more about the workshop and the Cheesy Moon Workshop instead of the knives. This is my tried and true old GMC Yukon that I've had for about 12 years now. It's a true workhorse. Towed my camper on many camping trips. Has my, if you know, you know. That's one of my favorite sayings right there. But for the most part, right there, towing the camper. But I've retired her. No one knows it yet, but it's I'm going to gift it to my grandson. But I picked up this little used Ford truck over here. And I've been wrestling with the fact that I do not have the built-in tool shed to carry my tools. Can't leave them in the back of the truck. So I bought one of the aluminum toolboxes that go up there. And that really wasn't working out. Went camping on Labor Day weekend. Someone was throwing this topper away. It was out to the road in the trash. So I salvaged it. Is it perfect? No, but I'm going to spray it with a can of bed liner and it'll look just fine. But I was also struggling with tool organization in the truck here. I have some typical totes and I have my toolboxes. If you've seen some of my previous videos or Instagram, I buy these DeWalt boxes or salvage them and cut all the dividers out. And then I can put whatever I want in there. But I still had boxes sliding around. And so today I went to a local store called Skycraft. It's a surplus type store. I was looking for some sort of solution for organizing these tools. And I found this window. That is a window much like would be at a drive-through restaurant type sliding window. It's aluminum with polycarbonate lights in it. And I saw that and it just clicked. This is perfect. I can just grab a hold of this and slide it out. I have access to all my tools in there. And yeah, that sounded a little rough because I just have a couple little U-shaped brackets on the back instead of a couple rollers, which will be installed probably yet this weekend. But then just simply slide it back in place. It does not rock around side to side because it kind of locks into these grooves on the bed. And the yellow tote back there stops it, keeps it from going further back. So there you go, a down and dirty Cheesy Moon solution to tool organization and access. That's the biggest part, not having to climb in and out of the truck or open this top all the time. And you see here and secure it. There you go, more of a workshop video than a knife video. I hope you enjoy it. Y'all have a beautiful day.